we've abandoned the children, or rather,
turn right.
they didn't want to come with us. They don't want to come with us anywhere anymore. It's a shame, isn't it, in a way?
It's a shame.
Anyway, so it's, I don't even know what date it is, but it's somewhere sort of towards the middle of October, and we've headed towards
Vasto.
towards Vasto, down the coast, to a place called
Punta Aderci.
Punta Aderci.
Aderci.
Okay. I've not been there before.
I have.
And it's lovely. It's sunny. It's about 21 degrees.
Yeah, not a cloud in the sky.
Not a cloud in the sky. Look at all the olive trees in the background. It's actually on the route to Puglia. So if you drove another couple of hours, you'd be down in Puglia.
And this is the place I came to in Rocco, and we it's a very rocky road. We found these strange plants that spit at you, and I'll try and find them again, but they were really weird.
Are you sure this is the way to Punta Aderci? Because
I am.
Really, this is where everyone. I mean,
After
the thing is,
meters,
trying to find
your
you know,
destination.
signs, easy signage to go places in Abruzzo sometimes is just impossible, isn't it?
Yeah, this is exactly the way we came.
You have reached your destination.
We've reached our destination.
Nearly.
Here it is.
Not quite, nearly. You'll see.
Okay.
You have to park and walk, but we're not quite there yet.
All right. Well, it's lovely anyway. Beautiful.
There's the railway line I told you we cross.
Yeah.
Oh, no, we're
But is
going the right way.
this the way that all the tourists would?
There's two ways. There's another way you can end up miles down that way, but this I think is the best way to come.
Why? Did you go the other way?
No.
No. Well,
No, but I had a look
so-
on the map.
Okay. Oh.
Can't remember if we went that way or this way. I think it was this way. We'll find out. Yeah, this looks right. Then you come to an end. This is it. This is where we parked. Just here. You
And
can
is it-
drive further, but I decided to park and walk, and I think we'll do the same. We just parked here.
Okay. Let's do it.
Plenty of room for other cars to get through.